Got a new SD card for your Nikon D7100 but not sure how to pop it in? No worries. Let's breeze through the process step by step. First, make sure your Nikon D7100 is powered off to prevent any accidental data loss or damage to the card. Next, locate the memory card slot cover on the right side of your camera body. It's usually near the grip, just below the mode dial. Slide the memory card slot cover in the direction indicated by the arrow. It should pop open, revealing the memory card slot inside. Take your SD card and check its orientation. There should be a small notch on one side of the card. This notch should align with the corresponding notch inside the memory card slot. Carefully insert the SD card into the memory card slot, ensuring that the notched corner of the card matches the notched corner of the slot. Gently push the SD card into the slot until you feel it click into place. It should be flush with the edge of the camera body when fully inserted. Once the SD card is securely inserted, close the memory card slot cover by sliding it back into its original position until it clicks shut. And there you have it. Your SD card is now safely inserted into your Nikon D7100, ready to store all your precious photos and videos.